Thematic Quranic Translation Series. Installment 100. The chapter Ayat 51. Most rational and strictly academic. Retranslations. By Aurangzeb Yousafzai. I present in testimony those communities who uproot and scatter the created beings, who then are charged with the burden of that crime, and who but continue to pursue their vicious course with ease, and who continue making divisions among humans with the help of their authority. That what you are promised is certainly true, and that the time of their requital, judgment, is definitely going to come. And by the universe firmly bound, tied, woven together, you indeed are at variance in your convictions. Perverted in their views about that happening are those who deceive themselves.